Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope you're all having a good day. We are getting back to the ash table. Our hardware came in from Tailored Custom Fab. We have this setup here, which Aaron at Tailored Custom Fab and Joseph from Out of the Woods, Muskoka, came up with this design for these metal brackets that are going to hold on the company boards. So when you have company, you throw these guys on the end of the table. When you don't, they retract back under the table. So instead of having a big split down the middle of your table for a traditional extension wing, or what do they call it? Insert? Leaf. So instead of your traditional leaf with a big split in the middle of the table, now you get solid table, no split, leaves on the ends, which work great. I've done one before with wood. These guys, being metal, are going to be even stronger. So really looking forward to putting these on. We're going to mock the rest of this table up and then get the base in clamps and glue, and we'll show you that when we get to it. Right, we're making progress on this table. So I've got my dados cut in the end aprons, or whatever you want to call it, for our extension hardware to come through. So it slides in there, it'll slide back and forth underneath the table, and it'll hold the breadboard and company boards up. So that step's done. Now I am just going to give it a quick round over just to clean it up, make it look a little bit prettier, and yeah, then we'll be able to start gluing this all together. So one of the really nice things about these mini router bits from Tools Today, Amana makes them, is the fact that you can get into these tight corners. Oh, where's there? So getting into those tight spots, those mini bits, perfect for it. So got those all rounded over, gonna give those a quick sand, and then we are ready to glue. All right, so now that we have all of our pieces ready for the big oak table, we are also getting that base together. We're gonna domino everything all at once, glue, well, not gonna glue that one. I'm gonna paint it first, that one's being painted black. But we're gonna cut all of our dominoes for both tables at the same time. And yeah, get these bases together. Then I'm gonna go back to this guy. Once the base is done for it, tomorrow, final sand and Rubio. Making good progress on this guy. Mike has been putting in the work. Mike did all the dominoing on this. The angles are awesome. We've got our hardware from Tailored Custom Fab, turnbuckle stretchers, company board, extenders. This table is gonna be gorgeous when it's done. His fault. Don't think it gets any tighter than that. Not a woodpecker square, so we can't be for sure, but you know, Empire's pretty damn good too. All right, back in the shop for a little bit this evening. We are gonna get this table all glued up. Mike's just putting the glue in the holes, putting the dominoes in, and then we're gonna get it all in the clamps. And then I'm going home.